Hello everyone. Designing is a crucial stage in a product's life cycle. It is very important to detect and eliminate errors in the initial stages of design, since these errors will cause problems during manufacturing or increase production costs. How good will it be if SolidWorks has an automated validation tool for manufacturing? The answer is yes. DFM Express is an analysis tool that validates the manufacturability of parts. It helps in upstream validation of areas which are difficult and expensive to manufacture. It also provides a mechanism for knowledge captures and employ for continuous betterment. DFM Express functionality includes drill hole checks, milled feature checks, turned part checks, sheet metal checks, standard hole size checks, and injection molding check. In order to reduce tooling costs and for efficient manufacturing, there is a set of rules to be followed, which the above functionalities carry. Drill rules. Hole diameter to depth ratio. For production, small diameter holes which are less than 3 mm and high depth to diameter ratios which are greater than 2.75 are difficult and not recommended. Deeper blind holes make chip removal difficult. Holes with flat bottom. Blind holes should not be flat bottomed. While reaming, the flat bottom holes cause problems. Holes entry and exit surfaces. The entry and exit surfaces of a drilled hole should be perpendicular to the hole axis. The drill tip might wander if the surface which the tip contacts is not perpendicular to the drill axis. Exit burrs will be uneven around the circumference of the exit hole, which can make burr removal difficult. Holes intersecting cavities. Drill holes should not intersect cavities. During machining, drills follow the path of least resistance when intersecting a cavity. The drill might wander when it re-enters the material. If a hole must intersect a cavity, the drill axis should be outside the cavity. Partial holes. When a hole intersects a feature edge, at least 75% of the hole area should be within the material. Do not let the axis of the hole intersect an edge of the part or the drill might wander. Linear and angular tolerance checks. Tolerance should not be tighter than necessary. Stringent tolerance might require special process parameters that are not within the natural capability of available machine tools. Let's quickly move into the SolidWorks interface. This sample part created using SolidWorks is to be validated for manufacturability. This part contains different types of drill holes such as tabbed hole, countersunk holes, and counter bore. Accessing the DFM Express Analysis Wizard, one can describe the rule parameters within the setting option. Herein, the user has the versatility in selecting the type of manufacturing process and associated rule parameters. Selection of mill or drill process enables the user to key in the required value for checking various rules. Users can define their minimum requirement values of hole depth to diameter ratio in percentage of hole area and also tolerance values for both linear and angular dimensions. One has the flexibility to enable the required standard for hole sizes within the DFM wizard. Selecting Run initiates DFM Express to check these parameters over the SolidWorks model. Users can easily find the failed rules and select the failed instances. By changing the necessary inputs based on the machining process and modifying the part, these failed instances can be rectified to obtain the exact product. You can witness the updation of results with all the drill rules passed. Finally, pointing out the benefits of DFM Express in SolidWorks is to validate the manufacturability of the parts at the design stage itself. Thank you.